What's our last thing? Gary's Games?
Gary's Games.
And we don't even have to do a crazy complicated mathematical equation this time either, because Gary's here.
You didn't want to do crazy complicated mathematical equations?
No.
That's what.
No, is that what you brought?
That's what the game is.
I have a whole book of algebra here. Like, shit. Okay, so tonight's game, we are all voice actors, and Soundbooth in particular is known
Allegedly
for its voice acting prowess, but also for making audio dramas with sound effects. But what if there was an EMP explosion and everything but our microphones were destroyed, and we had to make the sound effects with our faces?
Yes.
What?
So I have a list of sound effects we can make. Well, I'm going to roll for them eventually, but I think we should start off pretty easy. I'm going to go on my screen. It goes Jeff, Annie, Ray, Justin, Joe, me. Does that sound right to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Also,
If you do it
everyone's
in
got the same
lines.
Yep.
Rather
So
than
everyone's looking at the same
circle.
screen.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Are you wanting to do a circle or are you wanting to just go? Okay.
Let's
2 lines.
If we're doing a circle, then it'll be me, Annie, Ray, you,
Okay,
Joe,
yes to that.
JTJ.
So we'll start off. Jeff, dog.
Woo.
Beautiful, very nice. Annie, let's go with a cat. Very nice. Ray,
More convincing than me.
I'm sorry, what was it?
a pig.
Oh, that's a good one.
We're getting pretty good. I'm going to do a sheep. Brr. Yay. Joe, let's go with horse. Yeah. Justin,
Sounds
chicken.
like
We can do it. We're so good. Oh my God. Okay. Let's let the rolling begin. And we're going to start with you, Jeff. And I'm going to roll a D20. Oh, I want to show you my D20, right? This is a Ninja Sex Party D20.
Oh,
Let's see if I can get it to. So
they make those?
yeah, they do. They're like horribly overpriced for what they are, but I love them at the same time. So you can see it's a lot of blues and some reds. Now, if we zoom in closely on the reds, we'll see there's 4, 20. You can't see the numbers, and 6, 9. They're all
Nice.
4, 20, 69. Okay, that's just a fun fact about this D20. Now I'm going to roll it. That is a 9. Number 9 is... Oh, yes. Okay. Jeff, your sound is to recreate what I do on this.
Oh.
This is an automaton. It's a real big one my friend got me. So it's... Now, so here's your sound. Let me see.
Wow!
Wow.
Impressive!
That was really good.
Wow!
Okay, Annie,
I'm
you're up.
intimidated. I have to
That
go after
was-
Jeff every time.
That was a very strong start.
That was a
Yeah.
wow.
Oh, we got. Oh, it's really loud. I know it's really loud. It's partially why I use the metal dice. I'm really
We like
sorry.
it
This
loud.
is
No, don't be sorry. It's fine. It's good.
That's fine.
a recording of a political speech that is so old it's unintelligible. That is your very
Alright.
easy sound effect.
It's the Sugar for your show.
That's great. Okay.
Hold on, wait a
Ray.
minute. Did I get points? Did Annie
Oh,
get
we
points?
got points, yeah.
We need points.
Let's
I'll keep
start
track.
going to the next round.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. Do you really want to give that one up? You did a good job. Just saying.
I'm gonna say you both got 45 points, and if anyone wants to add any more to that,
All right.
please do.
I'll allow it 45 each. All right.
If this
Great.
is really like jarringly, I'm gonna roll it now. We're quiet. 17. Okay. Ray, yours is Voldemort on his self-care day.
Nice.
Voldemort on his what?
his self-care day. He's just taking the day to himself.
Okay, he's just taking a day off.
Yeah, so if there are characters, and you can do your best impression of that character, but
Okay.
they have to be doing something as well. Exactly.
Harry Potter. I hate that child. Every time I think of something, he's in my head. I can't watch a freaking TV show because every time someone comes on with a stick, I think Harry Potter is going to Alohomora something, or whatever that magic spell is. He's the boy who makes me have no fun on my day off. I cannot relax. I can't enjoy food. If I feed my snake, he is there. He's in my head. I just want Potter out. I want him gone.
Mr. V, are you ready for the left foot now?
Peter Pettigrew in the house.
That was great.
Okay,
I feel like you would just
That's
not
very
forget about Harry
realistic. I mean,
Potter.
that Voldemort would totally be consumed with hatred for Harry Potter
Even on his day off.
his self-care
Yeah.
day.
While getting a foot rub.
Yeah,
I think Ray deserves at least 35 points for that one.
Many points.
Anybody?
I think it was very
37.
accurate to the character, so I bumped up to 37 or 40.
Yep.
Okay, we'll go 37, and then Justin, we're gonna give you about 10 bonus points for that one.
Yeah, that was a good steal.
Oh, hey.
We like that.
Oh, no steal. It was all set up.
No, it was
Stole nothing.
an assist. That's
An
what it was.
assist.
And assist. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
You all think this is off the cuff. We rehearsed this for hours.
Oh yeah,
before.
yeah. Ray and I planned that out.
Not a word of this is off the cuff. Right, I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be loud. I'm gonna roll it. Ah!
Do it.
I
It's
got
loud
it.
enough that we know what's happening.
Yeah. Oh shit. I got a 13. The Netflix intro. Fuck.
How does that go?
It's kind of like dong.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's
Right. Okay, I kind of remember it.
Perfect pitch.
Not quite.
Yeah. That's a bit off.
At 30. I'm gonna say 30 points on that
I think
one.
that's generous.
It is very generous.
I'd take less.
27. 27. Let's give him a 27.
I'd like to hear you do it
28,
better.
28,
I mean,
28,
you probably could.
28.
Yeah, if we do feel right, so we'll say right that wasn't great. We can open it to the floor if someone's like, you know what, I actually have that down. Then the person will say, right, so right, give me my points. We say 27. If the other person does it to the satisfaction of the group that they were better, they get my points and their points.
Okay. I honestly don't think I could do it better.
Oh shit.
So I'm not gonna.
Big points on the line.
I think if you attempt and the rest of the crowd says, then you lose some points.
The amount of points the other player got.
Yeah.
You said no complicated math. I don't understand our points algorithm at all. Never mind this subtraction addition bullshit we have going on now.
All right, let's keep it simple. You get the points, and then if you want to steal, you can try to steal.
You can try to
If you
steal.
want to steal, you get the square root of the points and multiply it by the log and the cosine. I don't know.
Yeah. That's for next time.
Joe, you're up with a. That was another 9, so we've done a 9, I think, the automaton. We can do the automaton again,
Let's do
or
it.
we can go for a new one. What do you want, Joe? Do you want to go for another
Pitch
one?
is
or-
not my strong suit. So let's maybe go for another one.
Oh no, that's a 4. God damn it. This is a 1, which we already had. Political speech. I'm going to go one more time. There we go. 10. Bane at McDonald's.
I told you I wanted 9 nuggets, and you gave me 8. You have not yet learned the meaning of suffering. You think food service is suffering? I was born deprived of nuggets, molded by it. I must break you.
Oh man. Okay, that one's really good.
That's a
I
solid-
That's good. Let's go. I'd give it 50.
I was
Oh,
just
wow.
about to say that. I was
Yeah,
just
wow.
about to say that.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yeah.
and Joe pulls into the lead, and it's not even the sound. I think it was the content.
It was
The
the
full
beautiful.
attitude.
It was the
That's how
beautiful
he would do it.
content.
Yeah,
Thank
the
you.
Thank you.
improv.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very,
So-
very solid.
I mean, to be
Okay.
born deprived of chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
And to feel so aggrieved by it, like
Yeah. He's so mild mannered, and he didn't even have the
Oh.
mask on.
Yeah,
How are we
Nick
gonna eat
makes a
nuggets
good
without
point.
the
Nick,
mask?
you should have done it like this. Yeah.
yeah,
You
it's
think
like,
you know
No,
something?
he's going to be eating, so he doesn't have the mask on. He thought of this.
it'll just
right.
be a podcast of all of us, just like
We're talking like everyone is Bane. I store the nuggets in the mask.
Why don't we play the Bane game?
Next time.
all right,
I would
Justin.
love to.
All right, here we go.
Oh yeah, I need to say these are not all original. I did not come up with either this game or a lot of these topics. It comes from College Humor's Game Changer, which you should all watch. You got an 11, Justin, which is just 100 Batmans. Which on the show was one of my most favorite. 100 Batmans.
I think 100 Batmans equals like one Chuck Norris is about it.
Only 100 Batmans?
Okay, well, hold on. So, is this open to interpretation, or is there?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
very
we'll
much
be
so.
reading.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
much.
Okay. Batman. 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 Batman.
Malkovich. Sorry.
Batman. 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 Batman.
23.
Batman.
24.
Batman.
Wilhelm
Batman.
scream Batman.
Yeah,
Batman.
that must be 100.
Batman.
Batman.
Batman. Batman. Batman.
Batman?
Oh.
Batman.
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 Right.
Batman.
Yeah.
Batman.
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 Yay! I would never have thought to do that.
Great.
Okay.
That was great.
All right.
I give that 60.
Yeah. Okay. 60. Anybody? I'm gonna agree with 60. Anybody else?
I like
Wow.
60.
I like
Wow.
60.
Yeah. Okay. So you're at 70 now,
honored.
Justin.
Yeah, because of the 10.
Yeah.
The
'cause you got
assist.
the bonus.
Mm-hmm.
Assist. All right.
I'm
I'll
just,
never
Okay.
catch up.
I'm
Do you
just
want
so-
another round?
Yeah,
I'm-
we got to do another round.
Yeah. I got.
Okay,
yeah.
here we go.
We've done 6 out of 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do this on there.
Oh my god, it's an 11 again. A 1 again. My goodness gracious. I need to get another dice. Hold on. Let me get another thing out. Maybe that's why I rolled so many crit misses, right? All the dice. Ugh. Come on, you big purple bastard. Actually,
Crown Royal bag of
Crown
dice.
Royal- Yeah,
Royal bag.
Classic.
That is Crown
Yeah.
Royal bags are the best dice.
How
bags.
many
Yes, they are.
Crown Royal bags filled with dice do you think there are in the world?
Oh.
Oh, I'm saying
700,000.
not enough.
A lot.
At the very least.
Yeah, I know like 3 people that don't know each other that do this.
Yeah.
So, I really like this one. Jeff, you got a 4.
Mhm.
Your parents arguing in the other room about you having been allowed to see an R-rated movie.
Oh my god.
So
you're
I'm
in say your bedroom, right?
okay.
And one of your parents has been like, Jeff can watch this movie, and the other one did not like it. But they both think they're in the right. And they're in the other room arguing about that.
I've already watched it, or they're
Oh, you've seen it, yeah. The
Okay.
damage is done.
Yeah.
The damage is done.
the damage is done. Okay, this is gonna be hard.
You've seen some boobs.
Uh-huh.
You weren't allowed.
Pendulous.
Pendulous breasts.
Breast tickles.
Please, Stan. Are you serious? Come on, Linda. It's a classic. I don't care. Look, there are tits everywhere in that one, and we're gonna find our child spying on the girls' shower at school tomorrow. I guarantee you. Oh, come on, Linda. It's a movie. He's not gonna do. Are you kidding me? Do you remember the last time he watched wrestling? It's not the same as wrestling. There's women involved. He knows he's supposed to behave himself with women. Yeah, right. Remember last weekend when he went to Mary's birthday party? Okay, look. That was a weird freak thing. He's never done anything like that before. I don't care. You know, he's growing up. He's going through puberty. Weirder shit is going to happen. I guarantee you. And nobody's seen that movie.
That was fucking perfect. That was great.
I have never once for a single second imagined Jeff at the age of puberty.
Mm.
I'm intrigued. I have to see a picture of this now.
You think Jeff came out fully grown as
Yeah,
is?
That's actually what happened. So.
Yeah, he's just like you put him in Photoshop and make it like 25% smaller, and that's Jeff at puberty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly.
And then
it.
you just pitch the voice up like
Yeah. Pretty much what it was like. Yeah.
Nice. Annie, oh God Almighty, I won again. How's this? Okay. 5. A beatboxer with hiccups.
I gotta give you 5 points just for that idea.
Hold on, wait. We didn't score my parents.
Oh, right.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah.
What were you already on? You were on like 45?
45, yeah.
That's
I would give you another solid 45.
All right. So we're at 90. I'm at
90.
Gotcha. All right, Annie.
All right. Oh God.
Okay,
Really
so
loud.
I did not.
Good.
Yeah, that was
Just
really
like
good.
beatboxing for me.
I didn't even imagine you actually using the hiccups in the beatboxing beat. I just
Me
thought
neither.
you'd be, like my
I
brain
thought it
goes,
was
oh, he's gonna
disturb your beat.
yeah.
Right.
But I think that creativity earned at least a 50.
Oh yeah,
I
definitely.
go 65.
You saying
65.
I'm saying 65 because I think I heard her chewing on the microphone at one point,
She
and I
did.
think that's worth an extra 15 points.
Also, to add to what Jeff was saying, I love the idea of there being a beatboxer out there that purposefully gives themselves the hiccups so that they can add it to their performance.
Yeah. She's invented a new genre of beatboxing.
Yeah.
They get the hiccups and it's like, nobody startle me. I'm not drinking any water today.
Yeah. Somebody give me
Okay,
a
wait. We have we have 1 vote for 65.
I'll second
1 vote for
65.
50. Okay, so 2 votes for 65, 1 vote for 50. Any other votes?
I think using the hiccup as an effective beatbox asset was great. Like
Yeah.
the fucking cool.
I agree.
Okay, 265 and a 50. That equals 60. I
Nice.
think. So there we go.
Right.
60.
Ray.
I'm
I
up.
got you on a 8. A dinosaur speaks English for the first time.
A dinosaur speaks English for the first time.
Very first time.
I actually have experience with this.
Okay.
Believe it or not.
Nice.
I have
You
many
don't
children.
look that old.
Yeah. So. Okay. Give me a second here. I got to do like a nursery rhyme or something. Something I'd be reading to my kids. That's the way he would do it. Or,
Of course.
oh, I know. I got it. Okay. See, Dick.
What?
See Dick and Jane. See Dick and Jane run. Run, Dick. Run, Jane.
That's what I got.
That's good.
I think that was great.
It was
I could feel him trying to talk around his mouth
feel
that's
like-
not shaped
feel
for
like-
English.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the content and the performance. Good.
you.
Solid.
Especially
Also-
since he faked us out with a C dick at the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did,
Yeah.
I had to do it.
Pretty good.
I'm too old. Nobody here had C. Dick and C. Jane books when they were kids, except me.
Nope.
I'm the only one. You know.
I also like the also a bit of a fake out with the I have experience with this.
Yes. Well, I do. I have kids, so you know I had to read dinosaurs. I'm not to any of your levels, of course, but I have narrated many a book, many a Discworld to my kids.
Oh yeah.
Stuff like that. You name like Watership Down. I love making my children cry, and that was like one of the greatest books ever to do that. So I've got more voices for rabbits than you can imagine. So dinosaurs, that's nothing.
Okay, I'm comfortable giving Ray a 65 on that one.
I like it.
Yep.
It's true to the
65, everyone's
character.
agreed, 65. All right,
65.
Thank you.
cool. Gary,
See what I get. I got a 3.
Is that
Too
that good?
too many farts.
Oh yeah.
God.
too many farts.
Too many
just
farts.
like-
How many
Too many
farts? Too
farts.
many.
Too many farts.
Too
Hold on,
many farts.
I'm trying. I'm gonna have to. I
Too
don't think I
many
can-
farts.
I don't think I can act. It's just like too
Too
many
many
farts. It's just like. I'm so sorry. I'm so. There must be, you know. I don't know. I had a beans earlier, but I don't know. It was. I'm really. That's. I'm just. I have to go. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Very good.
Oh,
I couldn't do the high ones to my satisfaction.
Oh yeah, they're
Well,
hard.
Yeah. There's no
I think-
improving on too many farts. You've got to play it straightforward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing better than fart
Yeah.
sounds.
Yeah,
75.
75.
gives me- that
I
Yeah,
want to
didn't
hear a
know.
rapper who incorporates his farts in his rap. Is what I want to hear now.
we had DJ Hiccup, now DJ Cheeks.
DJ Cheeks.
DJ Cheeks. I want to see like the DJ Cheeks versus DJ Hiccup pictures.
Yeah.
You know, like
Oh boy, that would be great.
All right.
I think 77 points.
77.
Two sevens.
Very, very much.
Yeah, I think it. All right, so 175, 177. We'll call that 76. I'm not going to argue because I feel bad for Gary's pants right now. Like he's probably got to get a new pair.
It's gonna be a problem.
yeah.
I gotta get a new chair.
I was just gonna say, it's a good thing the chair's
Gary-
brown already,
Gary,
right?
nobody told you had to do the method acting approach on that one. You know,
Yeah.
you
You don't have to tell the best actors, and it does stink in here.
He didn't really roll a 3. He prepared that one.
He's been working
You
on that for
rigged that, didn't
days.
you?
Just really needed to fart on screen.
I
That's
think,
the
I
only
think
way I
Gary
can do
just
it.
had to fart really bad, so
Come
he
on.
made it
Get
up.
to Gary's games. Get to Gary's games quick. Come on, guys.
Too many farts.
And he held it for 2 rounds.
Yeah.
The long route.
All right, it is Joe's turn. Roll for Joe.
Go. We've had an 11 on too many 100 Batmans.
11 is a very popular one.
Ooh, 15. Gandalf shaving.
Cheryl Shuffle.
What? Was that yours?
Wasn't me. I tell you, Frodo, every time I shave this thing, it just comes back. And it's thicker and fuller, and it's more white. I'm supposed to be Gandalf the Grey. I have to dye this. Do you have any idea how long it takes? I have to find berries, I have to mash them up and boil them, and then I have to strain them, and then I have to sit in the smell. That's why I smoke the pipe. That is why. This damn thing. Hand me that knife over there, would you, Frodo? I'm just going to chop off my face, thank you.
Good, solid. I got a 45 for that.
45.
Yeah. What?
Let's
Hey,
go on
hey,
already.
get
Go on
higher.
already.
It's
Last time,
70.
70?
Yeah, let's do 70.
70 plus
70.
all right, 70 and 70 and 45. That sounds like 55.
69. That sounds like 69.
Okay,
That's
69.
69, I think.
Math is
69.
so awesome.
69 points.
Math is magical.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay,
Justin.
just in time of game.
Fucking 11. What?
Berries
This
and
is.
cream.
This is not.
Double 11.
A 1.
2 more Batmans.
I think this is too hard. 14. A French ambulance.
What?
We can re-roll that if we want.
Nope,
No,
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 let's-
I think it's-
Do it.
Isn't that what they sound like?
Oh,
They're-
yeah.
Because they're like,
Just
you know,
slightly
70
different.
years. They're like 70 years behind, right? Technology wise.
Well, again, it is open to interpretation. A French
If it ain't
ambulance.
broke, don't fix it.
Okay, all right. Maybe, yeah, it's one of those ones, right? It's like
Or you
it's
can
not
get creative.
it's not the American kind.
Yeah, you can get
It's
creative.
more like you hear it like Hello, Sacre Bleu, Sacre Bleu, we have emergency, Sacre Bleu, Sacre Bleu, emergency over there. We do it quickly. If I don't go out, I will move the way. I'll go.
It's uncanny. It's uncanny.
It is. I can see it.
I had to be because the Belgian ambulances are similar.
All right.
Yeah.
Justin, you had me at hello.
Yeah.
I thought like we know, or something like that would have been really good.
We know.
It just sounds like we know you're hurt. We're here.
We know.
Stop complaining about it. We know.
Yeah,
Wait,
they
what-
hire
what-
voice actors to just like shout into a microphone and then they blast it over speakers as they drive away. Just like French explicatives and yeah.
All right.
Let's-
That was very creative. I'm gonna give JTJ at least a 60 on that one as well.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sweet.
60.
take
I don't know what we have left.
Everyone's good with 60.
I'm good with 60.
Yeah.
All right. So let's add them
Yeah.
all up.
69.
We have 7 left. Do we want to do like a last round of just the rest?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll roll
And
like
we'll end on the last one we all do together.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I will say that the very last one is stupid hard because of how simple it is. So I'm going to roll a d8 and 7 and 8 I won't count. Or we can just go in order.
Let's just go in order.
Okay.
Keep it quick.
So Jeff, you're going to get a 2, which is Mega Duck and Mega Goose having a fight.
It's a preview for next Anti-Hero Chronicles.
I have to stand for this.
Oh no, it's Mega Duck again. Oh
Here
no,
comes Mega Goose.
right behind me. And I'm stuck in the middle.
You're gonna die, man.
They're gonna crack my face and
Well done.
You had to transform. I didn't do the transformer noise.
that was
on it.
the transform is what got me because I was literally thinking
Yeah, the transform. That
he's
was
not really making the mega though, and then it
And then it went mega.
transformed. Brill.
What do you guys think?
Brill.
I'm at your mercy.
Give me that
I'm
an
throwing
80.
80 points on that.
80 points.
You guys are impressed. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
No arguments against 80?
No arguments.
All right. Got it.
Annie, you're getting a 6, which is elevator music. Is that kind of music in the background?
All right. Let's see. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. Bling, bling, bling. Boom, boom. I'm gonna do all of whatever that
whole
Steely
song?
Dan song is.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it's definitely Steely Dan.
I know there's
Very
nothing,
nice.
nothing special about that. I don't know.
You captured the spirit pretty well.
I
don't know.
felt like I was in an elevator.
Yeah,
I did a little bit.
especially those little hints of the bass line there.
Yeah.
I liked that.
Someone else yell out a number. What did she get?
gonna give it-
52.
Ooh, I was
That's
gonna
a
say
little-
65.
really high.
I was gonna say 65.
65.
You're too kind.
Yeah.
Okay.
63?
63. Okay,
Mhm.
so 62, 63, and 55. Those were the three numbers.
I said
Are you
52.
actually writing them down and getting the average?
Oh
I
yeah.
love it. 63 and
He really wanted to do difficult maths.
sorry, 52.
52, 63,
69,
and
Jeff.
65.
69 is the answer.
Make sure you carry the 6.
Okay,
69.
65,
69.
Drop the 1.
52. All right, so that's a solid 57.5.
Nice.
Solid 69.
Ray, I am sorry. This is one of the
Thank you,
harder
Ethan.
ones. You get a 12, hitting a vase with your elbow and it smashing on the floor.
Wait,
Okay.
what is it? Say it again? Say it again?
Hitting a vase or vase with your elbow and the thing smashing on the floor.
Okay. What?
Oh, fuck! Ah, oh, shit.
Sorry.
Were you saying sorry to us or in character?
It was both.
Yes. Yes is the answer to that question.
I think we should give him extra points just for whatever damage he caused to his own
Yeah.
property.
Yeah. He needs a
That was really
refund.
good.
Well,
Reimbursement.
I must say that the ding of
That was great.
knocking your mic actually kind of sounded like a
Yeah, it
hollow
did.
blaze.
It had a ring like a
You know,
It did.
cup.
I'm
good.
going to say at least 60.
60, 65.
I'm gonna go a little higher than 65, a little lower than 70,
Okay.
but higher than like 68 as well.
Right. Okay.
And just
okay.
2 below 71.
Okay.
Two
So
below- exactly, yes. I had to do the math.
okay, right. So I think that comes out to 69.
That's
think
it.
so.
Yeah, that's the number.
Just put it as
That math
70
checks
minus
out.
1.
That's the number.
70.
One
Mine-
removed from 70.
Gotcha. All right. Yeah.
71's removed.
As though you had turned around and gone back.
Yeah.
Right in the
Okay.
69 region.
I get a
Okay.
16, which is stirring creamy mac and cheese.
Oh.
Oh, you're really
Okay.
getting the visceral ones. Close your eyes for this, everyone.
Ah! Oh yeah, I love mukbang.
Yeah.
Oh
was-
God, I could listen to
was
that all
crafty.
night.
Just fucking ASMR.
I love. Hate that.
I like the smacking.
Oh man, it is one of the worst noises, and it just get
Yeah,
in
it
someone's
is.
fucking face, and
Terrible.
You mean by worst, you mean best.
Yeah, I agree.
So 70?
I'm gonna 70 points.
oh, that's
70
very
points.
nice.
Oh yeah.
And I'd like to give a bonus 50 points to, I think, Rich, who is doing the comments, for bringing up 69 at the perfect time after
time.
that one wrapped.
Hold on.
Yeah.
What? Wait, how many for Rich?
Yeah.
How many points for Rich?
50 points for Rich.
50.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Joe, you're up, man.
Joe, you got an 18, which is a cool bass lick, and then the rest of the band joins in.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah, some of these are like, yay, let's do it. And other ones like, how the fuck am I supposed to do that?
No, you got this, Joe. Joe
You,
knows.
you can do it.
I've got an idea. Guys. I've been going for like 3 measures. Okay. Yep. 1, 2. Okay, thank you, God.
There's no bass.
This is all in their in-ear monitors. Like, it's like, guys, come on. You can't actually hear your own bass playing.
You guys can play too, right?
Okay.
Oh my god, I would just love it if someone if some voiceover producer sent those instructions out to someone, asking someone to give them bass and all this stuff, and that's what they get. They get someone talking it out. That's hilarious.
Okay.
I'm working
That was
through it.
terrible, but also creative. I'm going to say 35.
I'll take 35.
I give it
It's
a
also
42.
creative.
For 42, life, universe, everything. I'm gonna stick with 42 as well.
Okay. Anybody? Wait. Who was? There were 242s.
242s.
Blue 42.
And,
Ike?
and Gary and Justin all said 42.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's unanimous.
that's gonna roll out to 40, I think. So 40 total for that round. All right, Justin. Last one.
Okay.
A 19, a vampire nauseated by drinking blood.
Oh,
Which
God.
which in this universe, it does need blood to live.
Oh, okay. Not like True Blood.
No, this is like Dracula. Like, it's like, I want blood.
Okay.
But
and what
it
was the
does
word?
also-
Like
He's
Nauseated.
a vampire nauseated by drinking blood.
Oh. 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 No. 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 Oh. 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 Whose blood was that? Oh.
Some mac and cheese, master.
Oh God.
Mac and
Oh,
cheese to
man.
make it all better.
Yeah, Gary, you just stole another 10 points there. Let's see. So
Assist.
Justin, I loved that.
That
I'm
was great.
70 all the way there.
70. Yes.
All right. All right.
70. Any objections to 70?
None. No
All right.
objections here.
Let's do some complicated math then. So for me, I got 45 plus 40 plus 80. That's 170. Seems
Okay.
like.
Very nice.
Yeah, not terrible. Not terrible. Let me write this down.
Oh, I think Nix has the scores.
Oh, does she? They're all
yes,
They look accurate.
Whoa!
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my
Annie
God.
How
got
about that?
162.5. That was really
Mhm.
close, Annie. We were neck and
Very
neck there.
nice.
Yeah. So next you have Ray at 171. You literally won up.
Oh,
Literally one up.
Yeah. Gary with 184.
Wow.
And does that
Wow.
count the extra 10 points that Gary got for the bonus mac and cheese?
I believe
I'd
it
say
does.
so.
Okay.
I think so.
Nix is on top.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we have Joe at 159.
So close.
Better luck next time,
59.
Joe. Jesus Christ.
That Bane.
I'll loophole less next time.
Special mention to Bane.
Justin snuck in for the win.
Look at that.
Where
Aw,
hundred.
yay,
That
Justin.
vampiric performance.
Thank you, everyone.
I think we should be giving Rich an honorary prize for getting on the board.
Yeah, I agree.
Uh-huh.
For not even playing and then getting on the
Being
made
board.
it on.
on the board.
Yep.
Don't deny it. You're getting it, whether you like it or not.
Yeah,
It's true. Also, I'd like to donate exactly 13 points to Nix for keeping score.
Yes.
So that does.
Yeah,
look
Nix
like-
made it on the board.
that ruins Rich's accomplishment. Thanks, Rich. Rich is like, thanks, Justin. I thought I was special to you.
Hey, I gave you those points to begin with, Rich. Don't even start with me. I made you.
All right. Well, that was a lovely, lovely game of what was it called again?
Why just gonna make
Make
some
your noise.
Make your noise.
Make your noise.
Make your noise.
So, Gary, I would like it if you came up with a new list.
Oh yeah. We can't keep doing this.
Yeah.
This list, I think, in one day we can exhaust the whole list. So
yeah,
a new list will have to be created.
And Justin is the winner, of course. Thank you, Justin, for winning this game.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Nix, for keeping
Thank you,
score.
Justin.
Yeah, actually, there's something that came to mind just now that I totally forgot about earlier, but I should not have because it's kind of well, I don't know. Justin, do you know if it's still going on, the thing for Aaron Acevedo?
It is.
Yeah.
Still going.
It's still going on right now. There's a stream, right? So let's see if we can drop that link in. Oh, it's this weekend. I thought it was today.
Yes, we are going to be doing a stream this weekend with Invictus for Aaron Acevedo, who is a very talented artist working with.
He owns Sigil, as far as I remember. Sigil Entertainment. Yep.
Yeah, and it's a charity for raising funds to help with cancer survivors.
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah. So do we know what YouTube channel that's going to be on?
I need to double check. I think it's going to be on the Invictus stream, but
Imagine it would.
Yeah, I can find out quickly if you can
talk amongst ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the thing. I think we need like what are we going to do for our next game? Here we go.
Wow,
Yeah.
Oh wow,
So
$22,000 already. That's amazing.
yeah, and Aaron is a great guy, and his wife is not doing well, and and they're thinking about other people at this point, and that's just amazing to me. So please go check this out, guys. That's happening this weekend. Do we have a time on this?
Yeah, so we're going to be doing all day. Saturday we're playing a bunch of games from noon to midnight, and it is going to be happening. It's going to be on Twitter. I'm almost there. I got it here.
There we go.
Yeah, here we go. I got a link to YouTube here.
Yep. So
it's on the Invictus stream. Yes.
Please help these guys out. They have a great cause. Sigil Entertainment's one of the companies that we're doing a lot of business with lately. They do lots of illustrations. They have like I think more than 100 different illustrators under their umbrella. They're the main art design outfit for Pinnacle Entertainment, our buddies in the RPG world, Pinnacle Entertainment. And yeah, they're just a bunch of good people. So if you guys feel inclined, please do show them some support this weekend. And I think that will be our show for tonight. Y'all did an amazing job. Y'all were an amazing audience. Thank you so much. We're gonna Donkey Kong our asses out of here. 2 more weeks, we'll have another SBTL. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Go to our website.
Click the jiggly bell.
Newsletter. Get our app. Sign up. Do all the things. Everything.
Oh.